Pit bulls are like that. Okay, here's the thing. Pit bulls, okay. Pit bulls are the smartest dog out there. Blue nose pit bulls, because of the regressive genes, which throws them back more towards the blue noses because of the two color regressive genes, are the savants of the pit bulls. So that means they're smarter than the standard pit bull. Kind of scary, yeah, to think of something smarter than the smartest one out there. And the smartness of a blue nose is tenfold to what the original dog is because of the more instinct levels. You saw the instinct, the one to put.
Specialized.
Well, it's a fluke. Okay, here's the deal. A blue nose pit bull can only be gotten if you breed two blue nose pit bulls. But the original blue nose pit bull is a fluke. It happens on accident in nature by a couple genes being missing for colors.
1 in a million.
There are so few blue nose pit bulls. Actually, it's 1 in the trillions. There's so few blue nose pit bulls, they're breeding them together, which means the gene pool is pretty bad. She was bred between a regular size red nose and Hawk, the red nose pit bull, and came out with the blue. She's a fluke. Something that shouldn't happen. And I'm gonna get her DNA frozen or whatever. So when she dies, I'll have her cloned. Yeah. And when I got her, she was already fixed. So I'll have her cloned and I'll get another female that'll look like her that isn't fixed, and then I can breed some new genes into the blue nose pool. Neat idea, huh?
Yep.
Since she's a first in the blue noses. How's it going, partner? And I like it, even though it's more of a pain in the ass to ride around, I like having bigger than normal. She's classified as an extra large pit bull. Which are rare to begin with. But an extra large blue nose, yeah. An extra large blue nose pit bull is like in the fawn coloring, which is even rare, and the amber eyes, which is even rarer, and the blue on a red nose, which is the rarest of all. I manage.
Yeah.
With all this extra weight.
Teaching me to slow ride.
Yeah.
Teaching me to do the slow ride.
Here, let's see. Oh yeah, this phone had went dead. And I don't have another one on me to do speakers. I hope she didn't lose any of my phones.
I looked on the ground and the trailer got behind you.
So ain't it amazing what she can do? You know that cage muzzle? The one that has the graffiti pattern that I had on her here more recently? That was the first muzzle I bought. It took her 15 minutes to figure out how to take it off. You know the cloth one I put on her face? The cloth one that wraps her face? You know how long it took her for that one? She had that cloth muzzle off the very first time in under a minute. Pit bulls tend to be escape artists.